bulgogi. Sustain beef bulgogi. What's in there?
We got sesame oil, onion, beef of course, soy sauce, little garlic, spring onions in there, and we all blend it together to mix the sauce.
No.
1 teaspoon of pepper, but that's basically it because we got soy sauce.
So in a hot pan,
Add oil
add
on the pan.
cooking oil around 3 tablespoons. Add beef marinated, the pan. There's the beef marinated there, or the beef bulgogi. And try to stir it all the time so it
You just want to stir it around for a little bit so it's fully cooked. You don't want to make it stay in place because if you do, it'll stick. Well, not stick, but fully get cooked. Just gonna do this. You just want to put a cover onto it. Soy sauce because it's too late.
So this part is ready to serve. So the perfect beef bulgogi. Smell delicious. So usually use a white as or steamed rice for this perfect combination, or you can use potatoes. Yeah. Steamed rice is very perfect for me, so I use steamed rice. Steamed white rice. So place in the plating bowl, then add your beef bulgogi on top. Place in the middle there so you have a good or perfect presentation. So that's very hot and fresh cooked beef bulgogi right there. It's very tender because I slice very thin. Then sprinkle green onion on top, or green scallion, and of course you need sesame seeds on top of it, so you have a perfect beef bulgogi, and it's ready to serve and ready to eat. There you go. That's a beef bulgogi right there.